Let's make pumpkin chocolate swirl brownies. First, we're gonna sift our flour and some baking powder. Whisk it together, and then we're going to melt some chocolate with butter. This recipe calls for chocolate chips and also semi-sweet chocolate. Sorry. The combination of pumpkin and chocolate is just so amazing together. So after you melt the chocolate, you're going to mix together your wet ingredients for your brownie, the brownie mixture. And you're going to add the melted chocolate to that. The full recipe is on momlovesbaking.com. This is just an overview. You can mix in that flour mixture with the chocolate mixture. And now you have your brownie base. You're going to separate out a little bit of that brownie batter and set it aside. And now you're going to mix up your pumpkin pie filling part of the recipe. And you're going to whisk that all together. And it's going to taste just like a pumpkin pie and a brownie together. It's just so good. So now you're going to put the part of the brownie mixture batter in a prepared pan. It's been lined with parchment paper, and then you're going to pour the pumpkin pie portion, and then you take the reserved brownie batter and you put it into a little Ziploc bag or pastry bag, and you're just going to pipe out those lines and then drag your knife across to make that pretty design. Bake as directed, and they're so yummy. Get the full recipe on momlovesbaking.com. Enjoy!